Have you ever tried positive affirmations and they didn't work? Stood in front of the mirror saying, "I am rich, I am prosperous," while your account was overdrawn and felt ridiculous? Here's the problem. 99% of people do affirmations completely wrong. They don't understand the science behind how the brain processes language, nor the spiritual laws that govern manifestation. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover exactly how to create affirmations that your subconscious accepts, that neuroscience proves actually work, and that align with ancient spiritual principles. Get ready, because when you master the art of correct affirmations, you literally reprogram your reality. Welcome to 10 Minutes of Wisdom, where we unite science and spirituality for real transformation. I'm Francini, and today we're unveiling why most affirmations fail miserably and how to create affirmations that actually reprogram your subconscious and change your life. If you want to understand the exact formula for powerful affirmations, hit that like button now and subscribe to the channel, because what's coming next will completely revolutionize how you use words to create your reality. Let's start by understanding why you tried affirmations before and they didn't work. There are 3 fatal mistakes most people make. Mistake 1. Affirmations the brain immediately rejects. When you're completely broke and say, "I am a millionaire," your brain activates what neuroscientists call the reticular. This system is a filter that compares what you say with the reality it knows. And when there's a massive discrepancy, it simply rejects the affirmation as a lie. It's like trying to convince someone you're an astronaut when that person knows you work in an office. No matter how many times you repeat it, they won't believe it. Your brain works the same way. Mistake 2. Affirmations in the wrong tense. Most people make affirmations in the future. I will be rich, successful. The problem is that the future is always one step away. Tomorrow never comes. Your subconscious processes the present, not hypothetical futures. But if you make it present tense and it's an obvious lie, the brain rejects it. It's a dilemma most people don't know how to solve. Mistake 3. Affirmations without emotion. You can repeat, "I am prosperous," 1,000 times mechanically, robotically, feeling nothing. And nothing will happen. Why? Because your subconscious is driven by emotion, not empty words. Words without emotion are just hollow sounds. So how do you solve these 3 problems? That's exactly what we're about to explore. Neuroscientists have discovered something fascinating. Your brain doesn't differentiate between real experience and vividly imagined experience with emotion. When you imagine something with sensory details and genuine emotion, the same brain areas activate as if you were actually living it. This means you can literally train your brain for a new reality through correct affirmations. But there's a specific formula. Element 1. Use the present progressive. Instead of "I am a millionaire," which the brain rejects if you're not, or "I will be a millionaire," which keeps it in eternal future, use "I am becoming increasingly prosperous. My wealth is constantly growing." The present progressive creates a bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Your brain can accept that you're in process, in movement, in transformation. This isn't a lie. It's direction. Element 2. Include real evidence. Your brain needs proof to believe. So include real evidence, however small. "I am becoming more prosperous, and the proof is that today I learned something new about finances. The proof is that today I saved $10. The proof is that today I created value for someone." When you anchor your affirmation in verifiable reality, your reticular system accepts instead of rejects. Element 3. Activate multiple senses. Don't just say the words, visualize. How do you feel being prosperous? What's your posture like? How do you breathe? What expression is on your face? What clothes do you wear? What environments do you frequent? The more senses you activate, the more real it becomes to the brain. A University of Chicago study showed that people who vividly visualized while doing affirmations were 73% more likely to achieve their goals than those who just repeated words. Element 4. Load with genuine emotion. Emotion is the language of the subconscious. When you feel deep gratitude for what you're becoming, when you feel anticipatory joy, when you feel genuine confidence, these emotions imprint the affirmation in your subconscious as truth. HeartMath Institute researchers discovered that the heart produces an electromagnetic field 5,000 times stronger than the brain when you feel elevated emotions like gratitude, love, and joy. This field literally alters reality around you according to quantum physics. Now let's go beyond science to spirituality. All great traditions teach the power of the spoken word. Law 1. The word creates reality. In Genesis, God creates through the word. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. In Judaism, there's the concept that words have literal creative power. The Talmud teaches, life and death are in the power of the tongue. This isn't metaphorical. When you speak, you emit vibrational frequency. This frequency interacts with the quantum field. You literally shape reality with your words, especially when loaded with intention and emotion. Law 2. As within, so without. The Hermetics taught, as above, so as within, so without. Your external reality is a reflection of your internal reality. When you change your internal reality through affirmations that reprogram beliefs, your external reality inevitably changes. But it has to be real internal change, not external theater. You can't fake it. You have to genuinely reprogram your subconscious beliefs. Law 3. The universe responds to clarity. The universe doesn't respond to vague desires. It responds to clear, specific commands loaded with conviction. When your affirmations are precise, the universe knows exactly what to manifest. I want to be happy is vague. I am cultivating inner peace through daily practices of gratitude and meditation. And this reflects in harmonious relationships and wise decisions is clear. Now let's put it all together into a practical formula you can use. Today, step 1, identify the area and desired state. Be specific. Not, I want to be successful, but I want to prosper financially through my creative work, or I want authentic relationships based on mutual respect. Step 2, build the affirmation in present progressive. Use, I am becoming, I am creating, I am developing, my life is transforming. Step 3, include real evidence. And the proof is, followed by something verifiable and real, however small. Step 4, add sensory elements. I feel, I see, I experience, I celebrate. Step 5, load with gratitude and positive emotion. And for this, I am deeply grateful. This fills me with joy. I celebrate this transformation. Complete example. I am becoming increasingly prosperous financially through the value I create for others. My wealth is constantly growing, and the proof is that today I invested in my knowledge. Today I practiced generosity. Today I made wise financial decisions. I feel confidence growing in me. I see opportunities arising. I experience abundance flowing naturally. And for all of this, I am deeply grateful. This transformation fills me with joy and peace. See the difference? This isn't empty self-deception. It's systematic reprogramming based on progressive truth, anchored in reality, loaded with emotion, and aligned with spiritual laws. How to practice. Every day, morning and evening, dedicate 5 minutes. Speak your affirmations out loud. Feel each word deeply. Visualize vividly. Allow emotion to flood you. Do this for 21 consecutive days without missing a single day. Why 21 days? Because neuroscientists discovered it takes an average of 21 days of consistent repetition to begin forming significant new neural connections. Let me give you ready-made examples for different life areas that you can adapt. Financial prosperity. I am becoming a magnet for financial abundance. Money flows to me easily through multiple sources. And the proof is that today I created value. Today, I learned something new about money. Today, I made a wise financial decision. I feel prosperity growing in me, and I am deeply grateful for this expansion. Health and vitality. My body is becoming increasingly strong, healthy, and vibrant. Every day, I make choices that nourish my health. And the proof is that today I ate consciously. Today, I moved with joy. Today, I rested adequately. I feel vitality flowing through me, and I celebrate this wonderful body. Relationships. I am attracting authentic, loving, and mutually enriching relationships. I become more capable each day of loving and being loved. And the proof is that today I practiced present listening. Today I expressed gratitude. Today I established healthy boundaries. I feel genuine love growing in my life. Purpose and career. I am discovering and living my unique purpose. My work is aligning more and more with my gifts and passions. And the proof is that today I took a step toward my dreams. Today I used my talents to serve. Today I learned something that brings me closer to my vision. I feel growing fulfillment. Adapt these formulas to your specific reality. What matters is following the structure. Present progressive plus real evidence plus sensory elements plus emotion plus gratitude. Affirmations aren't empty magic. They're mental reprogramming technology validated by neuroscience and aligned with ancient spiritual laws. When you do them correctly, you literally rewire your brain, change your subconscious beliefs, alter your vibrational frequency, and manifest new reality. But, and this is crucial, affirmations don't replace action. They prepare your mind to see opportunities, to have courage to act, to persist in face of obstacles. But you still need to take action. Correct affirmations, plus consistent action, actions, inevitable transformation. Here's my challenge for you. For the next 21 days, choose one area of your life you want to transform. Create your affirmation following the formula I taught. Practice 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night, every single day, without exception. Feel each word deeply and observe what happens. Document the changes, synchronicities that emerge, opportunities that appear, how you feel different, how people respond to you differently. In 3 weeks, you'll have concrete evidence of the power of correct affirmations. If this video revealed to you the science and spirituality behind affirmations that work, hit that like button now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we keep exploring practical tools that unite ancient knowledge with modern science. And comment below, which area of your life will you transform with affirmations? What affirmation will you create? I want to know, and I'll support you. Remember, your words have literal creative power. Use them with wisdom, consciousness, and intention. When you master the art of correct affirmations, you become a conscious architect of your own reality. See you in the next video. Till then, speak with power and create with consciousness.